I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Good morning. I hope all is well. Happy Valentine's Day. Guys, I got some really good articles. This is part of my quick crypto significant news. First thing I want to do is I want to give a shout out to XRP Crypto Wolf. XRP Crypto Wolf sent me some really good articles this morning. The first two we'll talk about. Guys, Crypto Wolf is definitely worth a follow on Twitter. He's always on top of the news, that is for sure. The first one we're going to talk about, guys, is CFTC first published 2019 examination. Priorities reveal major cryptocurrency focus. The next one is JP Morgan is rolling out the first US-backed cryptocurrency to transform payment business. Interesting. Very interesting there. CZ surprises users by allowing purchase of token directly through credit card via Binance. And they're talking about XRP in this article. First one we're going to talk about, guys, is the CFTC first published 2019 examination. Priorities reveal major cryptocurrency focus. So basically, this is an article from the United States Regulatory Commodity Future Trading Commission. CFTC has announced cryptocurrencies will form a priority for its internal examinations this year. So basically, he's saying that he's come out and say that the CFTC is going to take a serious look at cryptocurrencies and maybe come up with some kind of regulation. I commend the DMO, DSI, and DCR leadership for staff to bring additional transparency into the CFTC agenda in order to ensure that registered market participants devote adequate compliance resources consistent with the regulatory priorities of the CFTC chairman, Christopher Giancarlo, commented. This move comes as cryptocurrency regulation continues to earnest both at the CFTC and counterpart of the Security Exchange Commission. Now, basically, reviews have been mixed on whether approaches of the regulators and accusations centering on comparatively heavily handed approach of the SEC. Now, basically, guys, this is the CFTC basically says crypto regulation is a priority, but I did pull this one up. Trump appointee and CFTC chairman says crypto is here to stay. Now, like I said, guys, this is the CFTC chairman, also known as Crypto Dad, and he's on the Financial Stability Oversight Council, and they're responsible for the Executive Order 13772, revamping the financial system, and they call Ripple by name in this PDF twice. CZ surpasses users by allowing purchase of token directly through credit cards via Binance. This is a really good one. CZ Binance has once again paid attention to users and added the feature that allows the purchase of XRP directly through credit cards of Binance. Binance added the feature of buying cryptocurrencies via credit card on January 31st, 2019, but the feature was limited to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ETH Litecoin. However, the community of users on Binance requested CZ for including XRP in the newly released feature. CZ pulled through and added the feature to Binance, and users can now purchase XRP via credit card. And believe it or not, guys, I think we talked about this yesterday. Shout out to Crypto Wolf. Actually, CZ responded to Crypto Wolf. Thank you, big time, Crypto Wolf. I really appreciate your help. This one, guys. Oh, man, I don't know what to think, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this article. JP Morgan is rolling out first US-backed cryptocurrency to transform payment business. Wow. Engineers at leading lender have created the JPM coin, a digital token that will be used to instantly settle transactions between clients of its wholesale payment business. Only a tiny fraction of payments will initially be transmitted using the cryptocurrency, but the trial represents the first real-world use of digital coin by a major U.S. bank. While JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon has bashed Bitcoin as a fraud, the bank chief and his managers have consistently said blockchain and regulated digital currencies held promise. This is very interesting, guys. The lender moves around $6 trillion around the world every day for corporations in its massive wholesale payment business, and trials set to start in a few months. A tiny fraction of that will happen over something called the JPM coin. the digital token created by engineers at the New York-based bank to instantly settle payments between clients. JP Morgan is preparing for a future in which parts of the essential underpinning of global capitalism. Guys, and this is exactly what I was saying. This is why I'm excited about cryptocurrencies. The way that's worded right there. The essential underpinning of global capitalism. Basically, guys, we are a global economy and we do business with the whole globe. And no matter how you look at it, guys, XRP is the last key to globalization. Pretty much they are well ahead of the rest of them as far as the development of the technology. That's the database technology made famous by its first application. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end this one here. I will link this article in here. What do you guys think about JP Morgan coming out with their own JPM coin? From my understanding, I watched this video. I'm not going to play it, but I will link this article in the description. From my understanding, it's going to be pegged to $1. So their JPM coin is going to be a stable dollar. So it's going to be $1, a digital dollar for a regular dollar. So this is interesting. I'd love to hear some feedback from the community. What do you guys think? Right now, the CKJ Batman logo will come down. Smash that logo to subscribe to the channel. Please smash some thumbs up. Thank you for your time this morning. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Much love. Mahalo.